A shooting against 2 synagogues and 2 churches in Russia's Dagestan left several police officers dead, according to a report in Interfax on Sunday. The synagogue in Derbent was completely burned down and local guards were killed, according to Israel's foreign ministry. The synagogue in Makhachkala was attacked by gunfire, the ministry said, with no further details available. In addition, an earlier attack by unknown individuals on a police post in Makhachkala, killing 1 officer and wounding 6 others. 6 police officers were killed and 12 others wounded in total. Local reports showed gunfights still ongoing in Makhachkala. In the attack on the churches, a priest is killed, according to local officials. At least 2 of the assailants were killed, with others arrested. The incidents are being investigated as a terrorist attack.
Сука, дурдом, Махачкала.
Ты жива?
Now let's see what happened during the attack. Look, they are fucking up the police. Footage of shots between unidentified persons and police in Makhachkala, shooting at the border of Russia and Abkhazia by the control point at Pso River is also reported. There are wounded and dead. On the anniversary of Prigozhin's march on Moscow,
хуярят ментов! Вон, разъебали всех ментов, смотри туда. Боевики. Вот боевики, на Орджоникидзе пиздец началось. Вон, ментов убили, два бомба расстреляли.
First footage where faces of the shooters are visible appeared. Russian Z bloggers already blame Ukraine.
Уйди туда. Твари, блядь.
Presumably, the video shows footage of the detention of the participants in the attack on the city beach in Makhachkala. Russian Telegram channels report that one of the attackers is the son of the current head of a Dagestan municipality. I guess now comes the videos with their ears cut off and other terrorist motivational nonsense. Clashes continue in Makhachkala, and shooting is heard again near the synagogue. Residents are asked to stay at home. Makhachkala and Derbent are closed for entry and exit. State Duma deputy from Dagestan Gadzhiev believes that special services of Ukraine and NATO countries are behind the terrorist attack in the republic. Kadyrov said that those who committed the terrorist attack in Dagestan have neither faith nor nation and are non-humans who must be eliminated on the spot. What happened looks like a despicable provocation and an attempt to sow discord between confessions, he said. Kadyrov is clearly concerned that this terrorist attack will draw the attention of the center not only to Dagestan, but also to Chechnya. And heads will fly. By the way, is he on his way to clean up the mess? According to one of the versions, the shooters in Russian Derbent and Makhachkala might be related to international terrorist organizations, Russian RBK media reports, citing a source in the law enforcement agencies of Dagestan. Judging by the actions of the shooters, their shouts and appearance, the terrorists might belong to an Islamist terrorist organization, the source said. According to the law enforcers, today's actions were planned in advance, on a major Orthodox holiday. At the same time, several attackers were listed in the Russian Interior Ministry's databases as having connections in Wahhabi circles. All of them are residents of Dagestan. footage of shooting in Makhachkala.
Охуеть, тут пиздец, что творится.
Russian guards arrived for assault in Makhachkala. Military equipment has been brought in too. Russian media report that a school building is burning by the church. There is combat in the area. Central part of Derbent is without power. Combat in the city. Russian TASS news agency. What is happening? Isn't it Putin's special military operation as well? Everything is under control. Obviously it is.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.